How to send money from Western Union to my bank account just in some seconds on my PC. For this, I will open my browser here and browse for Western Union official website here and check for it. As I will click it on the search bar, the website will be appeared in front of me and I will click on International Money Transfer powered by Western Union. As you can see, you can send money from any country, from any currency to any country or any currency. On the send money online option, you have to select the country in which you are sending the money. Like I want to send to United States, I will click on it. I will enter the USD account, or like I want to send 500 INR that will be converted into USD. And then how does your receiver want the money? You can only set up the bank transfer. If you also want to transfer your self account, you can enter the details of your own account in this. Click on the bank transfer, enter all the bank details where you want to send the money, and on the right you will see the fees that will be 5.88 USD. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe this channel for watching more updates, reviews and short videos like this. Keep watching, keep loving.